Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Mahindra Blossom, which is located in Hope Farm, Whitefield East, Bangalore, a project developed by Mahindra Life Spaces. And today we'll be doing the project unboxing, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, internal and external, both with the parking provision, master plan, floor plan, unit plan, about the possession as well. But before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. And right now I'm standing near the land parcel, and just behind me is the land parcel, and the main entrance starts from here. So this is the main entrance and the marketing office is right over here. So this is the marketing office of Mahindra Blossom, where you'll be getting all the information in detail, and along with it you can check out the model flat as well, and the land parcel starts from here. Now I guess you must be wondering about what exactly Housey is. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview, and this project is spread across 7.8 acres of massive land parcel, consisting of 6 towers in all, with each tower of 2 basement, ground plus 29 floors, offering you exclusive 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss the location part, and the project is located on Whitefield Hoskote Road, opposite to Hope Farm Chanasandra Metro Station in Hope Farm, Whitefield East, Bangalore. So now let me show you the neighborhood of the project, and basically this is the Whitefield Hoskote Road, and this road over this side will take you towards Hope Farm Junction. And the opposite side road will take you towards Katamanallur. And even let me show you, this is our land parcel, and just opposite to it is the Hope Farm Chanasandra Metro Station. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project.
Kaduguri Metro Station, which is 1.5 kilometers
from the project. Park Square Mall is 1.3 kilometers. Next is Shantiniketan Mall is 2.3 kilometers away. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and the first one is internal amenities. So all the apartment in Mahindra Blossom will be unfurnished with branded fittings and fixtures, with vitrified flooring, assessing, CCTV, firefighting system and many more amenities. Now about the external amenities, and this project provides you 40 plus world-class amenities with gymnasium, grand clubhouse, kids play area, swimming pool, multi-purpose hall, plus many more amenities. Now about the parking provision, and this project provides you one type of car parking facility, and that is the basement level.
Now let's discuss the master plan. This is the master plan of Mahindra Blossom. As you can see in the image, there are 6 towers coming up in the project with massive open space for your future living. Now about some of the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK, 931 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 1313 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3.5 BHK, 1515 square feet. And this is the unit plan of 4 BHK, 1689 square feet super built-up area.
Now let's discuss about the possession part. So Mahindra Life Spaces will hand over this project by December 2030. So everyone, this was the project unboxing of Mahindra Blossom, which is located right here in Hope Farm, Whitefield East, Bangalore, a project developed by Mahindra Life Spaces.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.